Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your phone number on your DocuSign account. Click your account on the upper right, then click in Manage Profile. And on the left hand side, just simply click in Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down to the phone number section and you will find the option that basically says verification method, phone number. Simply click and add phone number here. I recommend you choose this option first and basically add your phone number, the new phone number. Choose whether or not you want to receive it by SMS or phone call, and you want to go ahead and choose send code. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code to your phone. Enter that verification code afterwards. Once it is successfully done, you'll be able to add your second phone number. Once you do that, now you can go ahead and delete the first number. I recommend that you choose this option and so that you don't have any problems. Once you successfully add the second phone number, then you can delete the first one, and that's how you go ahead and replace your phone number on your DocuSign account. Very easy and very simple, guys.